Yes, I have a pimple here, but that's not what this is about. So I made a post on my Facebook about the Netflix live adaptation of Avatar. And I said, you know what? If it was able to draw people like me in enough to watch the animation, I'm on book 3, okay? I'm on book 3 already. I'm obsessed. But if it was able to draw me in and get me obsessed like that, purists need to relax, sabi ko. Because I guess there are things about it that you don't like, but it made me want to watch the animation. Like, it drew me in that much. So my post was along the lines of, huwag na magalit. And then, it makes its way to the eyes of this person that I know that is very angry about this live adaptation. Very mad. Ang haba ng sinabi niya about the flaws of the live adaptation. And the post ends with this person saying, but I'm still gonna watch season 2, to be honest. I'll just be annoyed the whole way through. But what I found so funny was the comment of my friend Sean, who from my understanding also didn't like the live adaptation so much. But not to that level. Sana masarap ang ulam mo mamaya para masaya lahat ng tao. I usually don't know what to do with comments like that. Like, okay, do I reply? It's someone that I know too, so it's like, I just thought I won't say anything. And then Sean posted that. Love